Good morning class. Today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 10 force and its various effects. What is force? Force is a push or a pull, or it may be both. It can act as in both form. So children, a force it cannot be seen but we can feel and observe the effects of force. So we have two kinds of force. First one is pushing force, second one is pulling force. So children, when any two objects or things they comes in contact with each other, there is an interaction between them. That is, there is generation of a force. It may be in form of push or pull. What is push? Push is a force to move an object away from our body. We keep those things, those objects away from us. And what is pull? Pull is a force when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. So, force is a combination of a push and pull. Example of push are playing a guitar, sewing a wood, and whereas examples of pull are scrubbing the floor and rowing a boat. Now let us understand this concept of force with the help of various example. So children, forces are due to interaction. And what is interaction? Interaction of one object on another when they comes in contact with each other. It results in the force, in the form of force between the two objects. There is generation of a force, a kind of force that may be push or pull. For example, if a man stands behind a car does not move. If he pushes the car, he applies force and car begins to move in the direction of the applied force. So, a man is applying his force on the car, then car will move and shift towards the right hand side. It is because of the effect of the force of the man on the car. Now let us discuss various effects of a force on an object. First one is force can make an object to move from rest. If any object is rest position, there is no movement, there is no change in the position and movement of the any object, then it can change the position and motion of that object if we apply force on that object. Second is force can stop a moving object. For example, a boy is cycling a bicycle. Then he will apply his force with the help of legs on pedals. Even he can he can increase the speed of bicycle or he can stop the moving object. Next effect of the force is force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. As we know, if we are driving a car, then by shifting or by changing the gear of the car, we can change the speed of the car or we can control the movement of the car and also we can stop the car. Other effects of the force are force can change the direction of a motion of an object. Look at here in this picture. Players are playing a cricket. A batsman is hitting a ball with the help of bat. So he is changing the direction of a moving ball in any direction. Now next is force can change the shape of an object. How can we change shape of object? Look at here. While preparing a chapati, what we do? We apply a force. Then it can be prepared. Now these are the various effects. Here a player is pulling a ball. He is catching a ball. All these are various effects of the force. Other effects of force are when an object that will return to its original shape and size after being squeezed, pressed, twisted and stretched is elastic. Look at here first picture. We can apply a force by stretching a rubber band with the help of our finger. where is initial position of the rubber band is like this. Now look at here. Initial position of the sponge. If we apply force with the help of our hand by pressing it, then we can change shape of this sponge. Now next is spring. Here is the initial position of the spring. If we apply force with the help of tip of our fingers by squeezing it, we can press it. And also all are different forms of or effect of the force. Other effects of force are an object that will not return to its original shape and size after being squeezed, pressed, twisted and stressed is inelastic. Any object, if we change its original shape and size after being applying force in form of by pressing them, by twisting them or by stretching the object, it remains totally changed. For example, if we drop a glass, it can breaks down. We can't join pieces of the glass to make it again, to get it back. Next is tear a piece of paper. We get pieces of the paper. Again, we can't join all the pieces to get the paper again. If we crush an empty can, empty bottle, it will get discarded. We can't use again it. So all these are various effects of the force. So children, revise this chapter and also read it from your book to understand and to make it better understanding of the concept. Thank you so much.